Okay, so we did the wiring in the engine. We have our ignition wire coming through the firewall down here. That one. I got 3 wires wrapped up in this conduit right here. And so it's ignition wire. I put a extra LED wire and for the dash and a um, what the hell it is. I got a Phytech wire for this electronic system. All right, so it comes down here, wraps into my fused terminal, my Blue Sea fuse box, which is pretty great. This comes off. Here I got my things that it controls. And I got my feed right here. Need all these. So it runs to my relay. Okay, did all that. You got everything fused and protected. So technically this will start right now, but all my dash lights will not work right now because I have the dash ripped apart. So that's what I'm going to do today. Is I'm going to get the majority of the dash back together. Okay. So, and I'm going to have my 30 volts. I'm going to have my 12 volts coming across. It's fused. And that's what's going to feed and power my devices. So all that's ready to go. Doesn't look like a big spaghetti mess anymore. So then here I have the dash all apart. So we'll go take a look and see what I'm going to be doing today. Because I got a Highlander, I got to put a new axle on. I get this thing out of here so I can get my Highlander in the garage. So I got to finish these LED flashers for the hazards and the turn signals. They have grounds on them. So I need to find a place for those. Then I have another one up in here. But technically I'm going to have one wire connected to the fuse box under here, which is pretty cool. And then I do have the brake light switch that I'm going to have to wait until I get the car started because I need the power boost to assist pushing the brake down so that I can set the switch in place. I just can't do it with it off. I've tried and it just doesn't work. So I got a couple grounds under here. I got a ground for the light dash. I got a plant somewhere, and then I got that brake light switch after I get it started. And then after all that, I just put the dash on, put that headlight switch back in its spot right here. Put that stereo speaker back right there. We gotta make sure this is okay down here. This is the connection going to the back and a dome light speaker wire. Just gotta make sure everything's nothing shorting on that. And then that should be good enough to test to see if everything works the way it does, the way it's supposed to. So, all right, stay tuned for the next video. Keep wrenching.